Huawei has confirmed that it will unveil the Nova 13 series of smartphones on October 22 in China. With the Nova 13 and Nova 13 Pro, the official listings have revealed the design of both smartphones. Both will be available in 4 colors such as Lawton Green, Feather Sand White, Feather Sand Purple, and Star Black. And this is the real-life unboxing. The Nova 13 and 13 Pro equipped with the Kirin 9010 chipset and 12 GB of RAM. The standard model may feature a 60-megapixel front camera and a 50-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel telephoto camera. The Nova 13 Pro is likely to feature a 60-megapixel and 8-megapixel dual selfie camera. On the back, it features a 50-megapixel RYYB primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera. Both devices are said to support 100W charging. For security, the Nova 13 Duo will have an under-display fingerprint sensor. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.